Hi guys! Today we'll change your LinkedIn profile URL. A custom profile URL makes your LinkedIn profile look cleaner and easier to share. After unlocking your phone, open the LinkedIn app. Tap your profile picture, then tap your name to open your full LinkedIn profile. On your profile page, tap the three dots on the right side. From the menu that appears, select Share Contact Info. Scroll down and tap Edit Contact Info. Here you'll find different contact details associated with your LinkedIn profile. Tap Profile URL to open the custom URL settings. Under Add Custom URL, tap the pencil icon on the right side to edit your current profile link. Tap the existing custom URL, remove the current text, and enter your new custom URL. Once you're done, tap Save to apply the changes to your LinkedIn profile. And that's how you can easily change your LinkedIn profile URL step by step. That once completed, your profile will have a cleaner custom URL that's easier to share with others. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.